Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore how Copilots can become your design partner, helping you think through your Power App ideas before you write a single formula or build a single screen. This isn't about building apps with Copilot. It's about designing better apps because of Copilot. Here at Advisicon, we help organizations achieve greater impact by leveraging work management technologies to accomplish more with less. As work management consultants and technology specialists, our focus is on streamlining processes, improving systems, and achieving better outcomes. Here's the reality. Most Power App projects don't fail because someone wrote bad formulas. They fail because we jumped in too fast. We started building screens before we really understood what users needed. We designed data structures on the fly. And then, 3 weeks in, we realized we need to rebuild half of it. What if you had a thinking partner who could help you work through these decisions before you write your single line of code? That's exactly what Copilot can be for you. I'm Shams, a Power Platform developer at Advisicon. I'm passionate about Power Apps and the incredible ways they can transform business processes. As a CRM and Power Platform consultant, my journey has been all about designing and implementing customized solutions using the Power Platform, which includes Power Apps, Power BI, and Power Automate. Today, I'm here to guide you through our webinar exploring how Copilot can become your design partner, helping you think through your app ideas before you write a single formula or build a single screen. So let's dive in. Here's what we're covering in the next 20 minutes. We will look at where Copilot fits in your design workflow, how to use it to nail down requirements, how to think through your screens and user flows, get early guidance on data structure, and most importantly, know when it's time to stop planning and start building. Think of Copilot as sitting in that sweet spot between having a vague idea and starting to build. Before Copilot, you might have a scattered collection of notes, maybe a rough idea from a stakeholder conversation. With Copilot, you can have a structured dialogue that helps you organize those thoughts into a real plan. The key mindset shift here: Copilot isn't going to design your app for you. It's going to help you think through your design more thoughtfully. You bring the business knowledge and the Power Platform expertise, and Copilot helps you organize and explore your ideas. Let's start with requirements. This is where most projects go sideways. Instead of trying to write a perfect requirements document yourself, start a conversation with Copilot. Here's a real example. I need an app to track equipment maintenance for our warehouse. Help me think through what this app needs to do. Notice I didn't ask Copilot to build me an app. I asked it to help me think. Copilot will likely come back with clarifying questions. Who are the users? What's the current process? What needs to happen when equipment breaks down? These are exactly the questions you should be asking your stakeholders. Use Copilot to generate your discovery interview questions. Ask it what features are common in similar apps. Have it help you define user roles. The goal here isn't a final requirement doc. It's a structured understanding of what you're actually building. Now let's translate that business problem into something buildable. Here's the journey. Business need becomes user stories, which become features, which become screens. Give Copilot the real problem. Our team wastes 2 hours daily tracking down equipment status. Tell it who's involved. Managers need visibility. Technicians need to log repairs quickly. Copilot can help you extract user stories from that messy business problem. It can help you prioritize what's a must-have for launch versus a nice-to-have for version 2. It can identify pain points you might not have considered. You're essentially using Copilot as a business analyst who never gets tired of your questions. Once you have clear requirements, it's time to think about screens and user flows. This is where you ask Copilot to help you visualize the app structure. Ask, based on these requirements, what screens would this app need? Copilot might suggest a home's dashboard on equipment list, detailed views, maintenance log forms and reporting screens. Then dig deeper. Walk me through what happens when a technician opens the app and needs to log a repair. And then Copilot can help you think through the click by click experience. This is pure gold for planning. You're essentially storyboarding your app before building it. When you finally open Power Apps, you will know exactly what screens to create and how they connect. You can also use Copilot to think through layout decisions. You can ask questions like, okay, what UI components would work best for the equipment list? Or how should I organize the dashboard for managers? If your users are primarily on mobile, ask, what's a mobile friendly approach for logging maintenance quickly? Copilot might suggest galleries for lists, forms for data entry, charts for dashboards. It can recommend specific Power Apps controls that fits your needs. Now, Copilot is suggesting concepts. You still need to decide what fits your users and your data. But having these recommendations before you build saves hours of experimentation. Now, let's talk data. And this is where early planning really pays off. You can ask Copilot, what tables would I need for this maintenance tracking app? It might suggest equipment, maintenance logs, technicians, maybe parts inventory if that's relevant. Then you can go deeper. What fields should the equipment table have? Copilot can suggest field names, data types, and importantly, how tables should relate to each other. Equipment connects to maintenance logs, logs connect to technicians. This isn't your final data model, you'll refine it and when you actually build in Dataverse or SharePoint. But having this starting point means you're not inventing your data structure on the fly while trying to build screens. Copilot can also help you think about reusable components and Power Platform features you might not have considered. You can ask, what reusable components should I create? Maybe a consistent header, a status indicator that appears on multiple screens. You can also ask, are there Power Platform features that could simplify this? Copilot might suggest Power Automate for automated notifications or embedded approval flows for work orders. This kind of early guidance helps you design a more maintainable, more powerful app from day one. So, when do you stop prototyping with Copilot and start building? Here's your checklist. You're ready when you have a clear understanding of who's using the app and what they need. A prioritized feature list, what's in version 1 versus later, a screen inventory. You know what screens you're building, a data model. You know your tables and how they connect, and you've identified where Power Automate or other features can help. Notice what you're walking away with, not code, not a finished app, but a documented plan that makes your actual build faster and more focused. That's the real value of prototyping with Copilot. Let's recap what we covered. First, think of Copilot as a thinking partner. You bring the expertise, it helps you organize ideas. Second, start with requirements. Use Copilot to generate better questions for stakeholders. Third, plan your screens and flows before you open Power Apps. Fourth, get data structure suggestions early. And fifth, know when your prototype is complete so you can move to building with confidence. Remember, 10 minutes of structured planning with Copilot can save hours of rework later. Thank you for watching this webinar. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. Like or follow us on our social media platforms and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We offer many free trainings in our online academy. You can access those by visiting advisicon.thinkfig.com. For project managers, simply become a member of Advisicon Academy to receive the code to redeem PDUs. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.